Hi, I'm Lance. When I first started editing video back in high school, I didn't have any experience or fancy setup. All I had was a dream and Filmora. Filmora was the first editing software I ever used. It made everything so easy, from cutting clips, adding music, to applying effects with just a few clicks. As a beginner, I didn't feel overwhelmed back then. Instead, I felt excited to create more. Back in early 2017, I started editing these videos and to the point that we joined some film fest competitions in our school, winning a best screenplay award, maybe not the best film award, but at least we got some. And one of my proudest moments, me and my classmates, we go fast forward to college, we joined this thing that we call a university-based film competition for Students' Rights and Welfare Month. I said to them, let's give it a shot. Let's just try. They trusted me. We wrote, shot, and edited our short film entirely using Filmora. I'm very thankful of these folks. They helped me throughout this project. They're very, participative and competitive. Thanks for their support. And while editing the video or the film or the short film that we have, I really found out that Filmora is a beginner-friendly video editing software. Easy color grading, drag and drop effects saved us so much time and helped us focus more on storytelling. Our hard work paid off. We won the Best Film Award. And not just that, I was also honored with the Best Director Award. Unfortunately, my blockmates or classmates in college didn't even had a chance to make it up on the stage because they weren't informed that it will be the awarding day for us, or we did not expect that we will be winning something from this competition. And yes, we won this short film competition, and the entire post-production was actually edited on Filmora only. It proved that with the right tools, creativity has no limits. This is the short film that we had. It's actually uploaded in YouTube. This happened last 2019. It's 2025 as I am recording this voiceover. So I've had so many videos already uploaded in my channel. I've worked on so many projects already, some commissions, some video editing projects from other companies, most especially Filmora, Wondershare Filmora. Thank you so much for fueling my passion and always providing so that I could share my creativity to those people who wants to watch these type of content that I'm creating. So from my very first school project to an award-winning short film and up until today, Filmora has been with me every step of the way. Whether you're just starting out or chasing big dreams, Filmora makes journey or will make your journey easy, efficient, and empowering. Please do try Filmora today. You could find the download link in the description below. That's all for today. Hey yo, it's Lance and I'm signing off. But don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.